And they run away. Madame Leonora draws for your lead. Wonder Joyce moving a party outside. Then comes Amazing Act. New chapter followed by Willy Nilly reality show just like it. Then comes entry number 12 and that's Small Star followed over now by entry number 6 and that's entry number 3, that's C-Star. As they pass the last 600, we have Amazing Act in command followed by Wonder Joyce. And moving a party by the rail is Madame Leonora. As they pass the last 450, Amazing Act moving up by the rail. Running on the outside, Madame Leonora, and on the outside is Wonder Joyce as they turn for home. Amazing Act, Madame Leonora is on the outside, panning back once again. Amazing Act, Madame Leonora is on the outside. With the last 100 meters, Madame Leonora, this time by about 4 lengths. And finally, it's Madame Leonora. Amazing Act, Wonder Joyce, make no mistake. Number 10, Reporter.